Hi everyone! Hello from Skagway, Alaska. So we're really excited. I am going to have a special guest on this episode. He's bringing us on a surprise excursion, so I'm really excited. So today I don't know what we're doing. It's going to be really fun. It's really pretty, but it's raining again, so we're pretty cold. And we just had to wait forever for a shuttle. So it's going to be a long day. But you guys know the deal. I'm Kissa.
And I'm Colby.
And we're the Doody destination. So let's go, guys. To the mountain. So just a note, you can't walk when you get off the ship. You have to take the shuttle, and they do have another shuttle that was it $2 or $2.50 each way, or $5 for the whole day.
3 and 5.
Yep. Oh, 3 and 5. This thing's so safe.
Do y'all need coffee or anything?
Ah, you want coffee?
Yeah.
So we just grabbed coffee in here. So this coffee was absolutely amazing. So when you get off the ship, get some coffee. This whole downtown area is really amazing. Once again, you can't walk because of boulders. But we took a couple loops, and there's all kinds of gift shops. There's so much to do. But because we were so late getting off the ship, we're going to head back. And so before you get on the tour, Yukon Heath popcorn. Oh my God, guys, we travel the world, and this is the best popcorn ever. Maybe because Big Murph makes it, I don't know, but it's absolutely slapping. So you gotta go check it out. But we're about to get on Southeast tours, and we're gonna there are so many pretty views, you guys. Wow, Skagway was amazing. So big shouts to Riley again. He was our tour guide, and he was absolutely fabulous. Riley, you're a vibe. Definitely, thank you so much. So the tour bus is awesome because it has heat. So yes, if you go in the winter, you will stay warm. Riley makes sure he runs the heat and makes sure that everybody's comfortable. So I just kind of sped up here. We're crossing into the Canadian border. I don't want to kind of spoil everything, but there are so many cool selfie spots. And Riley stopped so many times, and he was so informative. And there's Big Murph again. Definitely shouts to Big Murph too. And I got this amazing, photo at one of them. So I highly recommend taking this tour, and the sign. Wow. Guys, it's too cold to get my other camera out, but this is absolutely breathtaking. Oh my God. It's avalanche. So this is the overlook. They do have bathrooms if you need it. So there's all the cruise ships.
Alright, so some of them have
We're at the Gold Rush Cemetery. Alright, so this path, you definitely need your hiking boots, is headed towards the waterfall, but there's a lot to kind of see on the way through the cemetery.
that's Sophie Smith's grave and the other guy.
We're gonna have to get a picture with it. So yeah, it's definitely a hike. A little bit more than we wanted, but it was totally worth it. It was one of the prettiest waterfalls I've ever seen. You can go down, you can take some selfies. Your girl had to take a selfie. And then when you come back down, there's all kinds of graves, and I really thought that was interesting. A lot of them are really old, and so it's said to be a little haunted, so anybody who likes any ghost stories or anything. But I think the whole Skagway gold mine is amazing. But we're headed back to go downtown, and Big Murph's gonna show us around.
2 more chances to catch us today. One at 12:30 and one at 2:30. You don't want to miss it. Hi, pretty lady. You look like you can dance. Why don't you come can with us?
I can't. That's pretty cool.
We're here all day.
It's cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
I got up on stage. I went last week.
The other one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Got some corsets. Oh, so pretty. We got some corsets. Oh, it's snug. ugly.
Yeah. I want to get one of these, like the buffalo hat.
That's awesome. Think of that one.
They have cool. We have like themed hats at work and stuff. Like they have a shark one that I want. It like bites.
Really?
Like, the shark mouth is over your head.
Oh, that's like the magic heart one, you know, Pokemon. That's awesome. That's wicked cute. Wow, look at all these hats. All right, here's the perfect time for a commercial. Sorry, guys. So I actually make cute cruise clothes. So if you're going on a cruise or a vacation, I'm now on eBay and, of course, kissadoday.com. And I'm working on my men's line. We got travel bags. We get a little bit of everything. And I add some photography I've been taking. So check us out. So check me out. Anyways, back to our journey here. So overall, this whole series, if you've watched our other videos, if not, we have the other cruise ports that we visited on our channel. So definitely check them out. But that being said, we've been trying to focus on the Alaskan cruise on free things to do. So if you don't have an excursion booked, I would highly recommend just kind of, walking around here. There are other places to go. Big Murph took us to the saloon, which was really, really cool. But unfortunately, it was mobbed. Like, we literally went in and could not move, and we were like, all right, we're going to pee and leave. So if you go early. Right now, we're going to head back towards the cruise port to this restaurant that I didn't even know existed. So it's really, really cute, and it has one of the best fish and chips that I've ever had. So I have an Alaskan cruise fish and chip video coming soon of what I thought about the fish. But that being said, we're off to Skagway Fish Company, and I absolutely love this place. This is steak place.
If you don't wait until she's done, she'll yell
Really
at you.
good.
Oh, I know.
No, you're good.
I'm the same way normally.
And it's really, really cute in here.
Both solid better than the other night. A little.
There's some fish and chips and
Crab roll.
Oh, crab roll.
Yep.
I can't see it with your hand. Again, Big Murph for this recommendation. I loved it. I thought the inside was cool. Our waiter, he was a vibe. And they also have a bar. So if you don't want to wait for seating, you can probably plop down at the bar. Overall, we love this cruise port. It was one of my favorites, maybe because I got to see Big Murph, but you never know. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It super helps the channel. Thank you, guys.